Morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic linear equations in one variable. So we already discussed what is linear equations in one variable for your exercise 1.1, 2.1 and 2.2. So once again we recall what is linear equation. Ax plus b. So Ax plus b is called the expression. So this is already. So Ax plus b is an expression. So this is in the form of 5x plus 2. Here 5x plus 2 is the general form of Ax plus b. 5 is a constant value, 2 is also a constant value, and what is called the x? X is a variable. So Ax plus b, a is the constant and b is also a constant and x is a variable. So x is the only one variable. This is considered as a linear equation in one variable, right? Next, ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. This is also an expression. But ax plus b is equal to 0 and ax square plus b is equal to c equal to 0. So what is the difference between these two? Ax plus b is equal to 0. This expression is equated to the constant value is called the equation. So an expression is equated to the constant value is called the equation. Second one, ax square plus bx plus c is also an expression. This expression is equal to the 0 is called the equations. But your first equation ax plus b, the highest power of the variable is 1. And the second expression ax square plus bx plus c, the highest power appearing in the value is 2. So this is not a linear equation. The highest power is 1 is called the linear equation. So ax plus b equal to 0 is called the general form of the linear equation. So we already discussed in our exercise 2.1 and 2.3 linear equations in one variable that contains the left side only. That means expressions having any one side. So the next is exercise 2.3, the concept of expressions having two sides. So solve the following equation: 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So how to solve this? So 3x equal to 2x plus 18, which implies 3x, and what is right side? Right side you have 2x. So we can separate the variable and constants. So 3x minus 2x, because RHS 2x is the positive value, the 2h's transposing to the left side become the negative value. So 3x minus 2x is equal to what is that? 18. So which implies, so what is the value of 2x minus 3x? 2x minus 3x is x, because x is the same variables you have, so we can separate only the numbers. So 3x minus 2x equal to x equal to 18. So this is the concept of solving the linear equation. Next, second one. Five t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So how to solve? So which implies 5t. First we can consider the variables in one side. So 5t, right side we have the 3t. So 3t is transposing to left side means minus 3t, which is equal to, and this minus 3 transposing to RHS is the plus 3. So minus 5, this minus 3 transposing to plus 3. So implies, what is the value of 5t minus 3t? As that is 2t. 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. What is the value of minus 5 plus 3? As that is minus 2, which implies, so we keep the value t, and 2 is the multiplication in the left side, so transforming right side is become a division. So minus 2 divided by 2 implies, what is the value of minus 2 divided by 2? That is minus 1. So this is the method to solving the linear equations in one variables becomes the expressions having both sides. So let's see our 56%. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 x minus 1 plus 7. So how to solve this? So which implies 8x plus 4 is equal to, how to do 3 x minus 1? So 3 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 into x, 3x. So keep the minus symbol, 3 into 1s are 3 plus 7. So which implies that, so you separate the variables in one side, 8x minus 3x. 3x transposing to LHS is a minus 3x, which is equal to, what is the RHS value? Minus 3 plus 7, and this plus 4 is transposing to minus 4. So which implies, so what is the value of 8x minus 3x? 8x minus 3x is 5x, which is equal to 7 So plus 7 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So which implies 5x is equal to 7 minus 7 0, which implies x is equal to 0 divided by 5, which is equal to 0. So the value of x is 0. Question x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So which implies x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So left side you have the only the variable x, and opposite you have the 4 by 5 value. So 5 transposed into left side is the multiplication. So right side the 5 value is division, and the transposed into left side 5 into x, which is equal to 4 into x plus 10, which is equal to, what is the value of 5 into x? That is 5x, which is equal to 4 into x, 4x, that means 4 multiplied by x plus 4 multiplied by 10. So plus 4 into 10, 40. That means 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. So implies that, so we keep the value 5x in same, and minus 4x is transposed into left side is the minus 4x, which is equal to 40. Implies that. So what is 5x minus 4x? That is x equal to 40. So the value of x is 40. Next, what is our 8th question? 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So this is also same method to solving. So equating the constant and variable separately. So first one is, what is that? 2x by 3. And right side, what is the constant value? 7x. Sorry, right side, what is the variable value? 7x by 15. So this transposed into left side as the minus 7x by 15, which is equal to 3. And this minus plus 1 is transposed into minus 1, which implies. So how to solve this? 2x by 3 minus 7x plus 15. 7x by 15. How to solve this? So the denominator value is different. Same denominator value means we can solve the numerator directly. But if we have this, the first one is denominator 3 and second denominator is 15. So we want to convert into the LCM method. So what is the LCM of 3 and 15? LCM of 3 and 15 is 3, 15. So by long division method, how to solve this? So this two numbers are divisible by 3. 1 3s are 3 and 5 3s are 15. And 5 is divisible by the same number 5 only. So 1 5. So 3 into 5, what is the value? 15. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So 2x by 3 multiplied by, which numbers you multiplied by 3, we get the value 15. So 3 multiplied by 5, we get 15. So you have the multiplied by the numerator and denominator by the same value 5 minus 7x by 15 multiplied by 1 and 1. Because 15 multiplied by 1, only you get the same number 15, which is equal to 3 minus 1. So implies 2x into 5, 10x. So 2x is the constant and x is the variable. 2x into 5 means you can only multiply by the constant numbers only. 2 into 5, 10, x divided by 15, which is equal to minus 7x divided by 15 equal to 2. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Implies. So what is 10 minus 7? So here denominator has the same value 15. So 10 minus 7 is 3x. So 3x divided by 15 is equal to 2. So implies that 3x equal to 2 into 15. Because 15 is the division value for LHS and transposed into the multiplication value, which implies x is equal to 2 into 15 divided by this 3 transposed into division. So 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So what is the value of 2 into 5? X is equal to 10. So next our 9th question is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y, which implies 2y, and this minus y transposed into left side is the plus y, which is equal to, what is that? 26 by 3, and 5 by 3 transposed into minus 5 by 3. So 2y plus y, what is that? 3y, as right. So what is the denominator value? Denominator value is same only. Denominator value same means you can directly add or subtract the numbers. So we keep this denominator same. What is the numerator value? 26 minus 5, which implies 3y is equal to, what is 26 minus 5? That is 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 3y is equal to 21 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3 and 7 3s are 21. So which is equal to 7, which implies y is equal to 7 by 3. So next 10th one, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So how to solve this? So which implies 3m minus 5 transpose into, let's say, that is minus 5m, which is equal to minus 8 by 5. Implies that. So what is the value of 3 minus 5? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. So minus and minus cancel, which implies 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Then what is the value of m? M is equal to 8 divided by 5, and this 2 transpose into division. So which implies m is equal to 8 by 10. So okay, right? So actually we have two methods to solving a linear equation. The first one is trial and error method. Trial and error method means we have 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. First you can apply the value of y is 1, then value of y is 0, 2, 3. So you can apply up to the natural numbers or decimal expressions. 2y plus 5 by 3 we have 26 by 3 minus y. Is the transposing method to solving this equation is better than the trial and error method, right? Next we go to the exercise 2.4. So application of linear equations. So see your first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiply the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So what is the number? So listen. First you take the number x. See your questions. Amina thinks of a number. So let x be the number and thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Subtract 5 by 2 from it means subtract 5 by 2 from x. So according to the questions, subtract 5 by 2 from it. That means subtract 5 by 2 from x. And subtract 5 by 2 from x, she multiply the result by 8. So she multiplied the result. She multiplied this result by 8, which is equal to the, what is the conditions? The result now is obtained by 3 times the same number. That means this result is equal to the 3 times the same number. That means 3 times the number x. So the important conditions for the word problem is, first we want to form the linear equations. Thereafter we can solve easily how to solve the linear equations by using transposing method, which is equal to, so x minus 5 by 2. Here x minus 5 by 2 means x divided by 1. So 1 and 2, what is the LCM of 1 and 2? LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 only. So first numbers you can multiply by 2. That means x into 2 divided by 1 into 2. Because denominator we want to get 2 minus right side 5 by 2. So denominator is the value 2 only. So we can multiply the value 1 by 1 only into 8 equal to 3x. Implies that. So x into 2 you can write 2x by 2 minus 5 by 2 into 8 equal to 3x. Implies that. So 2x by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here denominator has the same value, not 2. Denominator is the same value 2. So 2x minus 5 you can write 2x minus 5 into 8, which is equal to 3x. So which implies, so we can directly cancel the value 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. So what is the value? 2x minus 5 into 4 is equal to 3x. Implies that. So 2x minus 5 into 4 equal to 3x means 2x minus 5 multiplied by 4. So 2x into 4, what is that? 8x minus 5 4s are 20 equal to 3x, which is equal to, now 8x and right side 3x transpose into left side is the minus 3x is equal to, and 20 is transformed into plus 20, which is equal to, what is 8x minus 3x? That's right, 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to 20, implies that x is equal to 20 divided by 5 equal to, what is the value? 4. So value of x is 4. That means what is the number taken by this amino? The number taken by the amino is 4. Right. Next we go to our second question. See what is our second question. See in your exercise 2.4 second question. A positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number is 5 times another number if 21 is added to both the numbers. So first we consider the positive number is 5 times another number means let the numbers be x and 5x. So one number is x and another number is 5x. The positive number is 5 times another number if 21 is added to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, so one of the new number equal to x plus 21. So first number added to 21, second number also we want to add to 21. So one of the new number equal to x plus 21. Second new number equal to 5x plus 21. So we have two cases to solve. So why? Because if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes the other new number, twice the other new number. One of the new numbers becomes the twice the other new numbers. So what are the numbers? So first case, so we can consider x plus 21 is equal to 2 into 5x plus 21. Because one of the new number becomes the twice the other number. So second numbers we can multiply by 2, which implies x plus 21 is equal to 2 into 5x, what is that? 10x plus 2 into 21, it is 42. So implies that x minus 10x. That means right side 10x is transferred to the left side, is a minus 10x is equal to 42 minus 21. So what is the value of 42 minus 21? That is 21. So which implies x minus 10x, that is minus 9x. Minus 9x equal to 21, which implies x is equal to 21 divided by minus 9. So we can divide by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 7 3s are 21, which is equal to value of x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 is not possible if this is an inadmissible concept. Why? Because the given question is a positive number is 5 times another number. So this case is inadmissible. So x equal to minus 7 by 3 is not possible because of the negative number. So we can consider this case is inadmissible. So again we choose the case 2. Case 2, x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. The first concept is second number is multiplied by 2. The second concept is first number is multiplied by 2. So 2 into x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21, which implies how to solve this? 2x plus 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. So which implies 2x and 5x is transposed into minus 5x is equal to 21 minus 42. Implies that. So what is the value of 2x minus 5x? That is minus 3x. Minus 3x is equal to minus 21. So this minus and minus cancel, which implies 3x is equal to 21. So 3x is equal to 21 means what is the value of x is equal to 21 divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21, which is equal to x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. Therefore, the first number is equal to 7. What is the second number? Second number equal to 5x. 5x, that is 5 into 7 equal to 5 sevens are 35. So first number is 7 and the second number is 35. Right? So next our fifth question. See our fifth question. Suppose mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Suppose mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of her mother's present age. So what are the percentages? We want to find the percentage of Sobo and her mother. See, first one, Sobo's mother's age is percentage is Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. So Sobo's age be x years. Sobo's age be x years. What is the Sobo's mother's age? So therefore, Sobo's mother's age is equal to what is that? 6x. So how to consider Sobo's mother's age is 6x? Here Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. So Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. So 5 years from now, 5 years from now, what is the 5 years from now Sobo's age? 5 years from now Sobo's age is x plus 5. 5 years from now Sobo's age is x years plus 5. According to the questions, what is the condition is given? Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. 1/3 of the mother's age. So x plus 5. That means Sobo's age 5 years from now, which is 1/3 of the mother's age. That means 6x. Right? So 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6. Which implies what is the value of x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So we can consider x plus y is equal to 2x and x minus 2x. So 2x is transposed into LHS, this is minus 2x, which is equal to 5 transposed into minus 5. So what is the value? Minus x is equal to minus 5, which implies what is the value of x is equal to 5. That means this minus and minus cancel. Therefore, what is the percentage of Sobo? Percentage of Sobo is equal to 5 years. Then present age of Sobo's mother. What is the percentage of Sobo's mother? 6 into x. That is 6 into 5 equal to 30 years. So Sobo's present age is 5 years and Sobo's mother's present age is 30 years. So next, our ninth question is, say our ninth question, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. So find the percentages. So we want to find the present age of granddaughter and grandfather. So let the percentage of granddaughter be x years. So percentage of granddaughter be x years. What is the percentage of grandfather? Then the percentage of So let the percentage of grandfather be x years. What is the percentage of grandfather? That is 10x years. So this is given in the conditions. That means it is given in the question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. So he is also 54 years older than her means how to form the equations. So according to the question, granddaughter age is 10x, which is equal to grandfather age is 10x and granddaughter age is x years, which is added to 54 years, because the condition is 54 years more than granddaughter is given in your question. So we want to add the granddaughter age to 54, which implies what is the value? 10x minus and x transpose into left side is equal to x, which is equal to 54, which implies. So what is 10x minus x? That is 9x, which is equal to 54. 9x equal to 54 means what is the value of x, which is equal to 54 divided by 9. So the value of 9x equal to 54, x is equal to 54 divided by 9, which is divisible by, which numbers are divisible by these two? So we can divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 1 3s are 3, remaining 2, 8. So 18 by 3, which is equal to, what is the value of 18 by 3? That is 6. So we can find the value x is equal to 6. So what is the value of x? That means value of x is means value of age of granddaughter. So age of granddaughter is 6. What is the age of grandfather? Therefore 10x equal to 10 into 6 is equal to 60. That means age of granddaughter is equal to 6 and the age of grandfather is 60 years. So once again we recall what is that? Let the percentage of percentage of granddaughter be x years. So in your questions given condition is percentage of grandfather is 10 times her granddaughter. So granddaughter age is x years means grandfather age is 10x years. So according to the questions, grandfather age is again 54 years older than her granddaughter. So 10x is equal to x plus 54. So we can consider 10x minus transpose into x is 10x minus x is equal to 54, which implies 9x is equal to 54. That means x is equal to 54 divided by 9 is equal to 18 by 3. That is 18 by 3 value is 6. So x is equal to 6. 10x is equal to 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. So the granddaughter's age is equal to 6 years and her grandfather's age is equal to 60 years. Sorry. So I hope you understand how to solve the linear equations in one variable, right? So first, what are the conditions we have to discuss? That means what is the expressions and how to form the expressions become an equation. Expressions means terms combining with the basic operation addition or subtraction. That means terms with combining with the basic operations addition or subtraction is called the expressions, and an expression is equated to the another expressions, or an expression is equated to the some constant value or 0 is called the equation. An expression is equal to the another expression is called the equations. And what is linear equations? Linear equation means the highest power appearing in the variable is 1. The highest power appearing in the variable is 1 is called the linear equation. Then we know how to solve the linear equations in one variable by using transposing method. Thank you.